Alright, there's not many videos on this on YouTube. I can't really see it. It's a 07 Nissan Pathfinder 4.0 liter. Putting an alternator on it. Like I said, there wasn't many videos on it. And I'm going to go through here real quick on the steps I took to get it out. Step one, I removed the battery, as you can see. And then step two, let's let a 3/8 ratchet up in there to the serpentine belt tensioner to get the belt off. That's step two. And then step three, you're going to jack it up, take the wheel off, take the few screws out of the inner fender splash guard here and pull it back. I have it held with a bungee. And then once you pull that back, the alternator is going to sit right there. But as you can see, I already have this one out. So after I took the wheel off, peeled this inner fender splash guard back, I got down on the ground, laid on my back, reached up through there to disconnect the wire harness plug and the power wire from the alternator. And then after that, you have a 14 and a 12 millimeter bolt, and then the alternator comes out. Not real hard, a little time consuming, but not hard. So that's how I got it out. So hopefully this video helps you. I'm sure it will. A lot of people think that you have to take all this off right here. I've seen people taking the throttle body off and all this plastic ductwork here. I didn't feel that was necessary. I could reach right in through there to get the serpentine belt off. So yeah, pretty easy really. Hopefully it helps you out.